Welcome. This episode we will be building part 2-06 steering lifting arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 2-06 steering lift arm for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. So first off, let's open up the template MMGS. Okay, so let's open up right plane sketch. We want to do a circle about there roughly. Do another one to about there. The outside circumference will be 22. Inside one will be 11. From there, center point to that one will be 178 divided by 2 to 89. That's all we need for that. Yep, that's what we need there for now. But we're going to do a mirror. You want to pick that one and that one. It's a mirror around front plane. Okay, there it is. Then we go feature extrude cut, which is going to be 9.5 mid plane. Okay, that's that one for now. That's looking good. Okay, so we've got a chamfer here. Let's do the chamfer first. Fillet, sorry. 0.5. Let's see how that looks. On both those. Oh, missed. Oh, like because it's mirror. There we go. Somebody had to click that one to include it. That was weird. Okay, anyway. So that let's go to front plane. Now I'm not going to normal to, but it's going to do sketch cylinder. Oh, circle, sorry. Well, create cylinder, which is going to be 8mm diameter. Now it's going to be extrude 2, but it's going to be up to next. The direction 2 up to next and done. There you go. Looks good, looks good. So that, let's see if we can actually do a fillet around there without breaking. It did. Nice. Do another one on here. Actually, you know what? Just go include that one and done. That is it. That one, brah. I'm just doing this. These materials might be wrong. I'm just doing this just add some, take away that blandness. Oh, it didn't take away the blandness. Okay, so that is that piece done. That is part 2-06 steering lifting arm done. If you enjoyed the episode, click that like button. If you want to see more, consider subscribing. Leave comments below. I'll see you next episode, and remember, thank you very much.